Here we are. We've got a shabby looking mower. Very dull. I've already done the engine. This is stuff what I made up myself. And you can see that the underbars are nice and shiny again. I will show you what this stuff do. The stuff what I make up. So that's shabby, yeah, so all we do is put this here. To polish it up. It's a cleaner, it does everything, this stuff. So look, nice and shiny. See the difference? Dull, shiny, dull, shiny. It also does metal, yeah. Use a bit more stuff on there. Just the knobs. Put a bit more stuff on it. Got some more stuff on the rug now. Just the primer both as well. Just the metal bit here. Do the bar here. Thanks for watching, bye.